想象一下，一夜之间成为全球内容创作者，说着完美的日语、西班牙语或俄语，却不需要懂得任何一个单词。Das ist keine Science Fiction. Es ist das, was du heute mit KI tun kannst. Während alle anderen mit Sprachbarrieren kämpfen oder Tausende für Übersetzer ausgeben, könntest du dir kostenlos ein weltweites Publikum aufbauen. En los próximos 5 minutos te mostraré exactamente cómo crear videos en cualquier idioma con movimientos labiales perfectamente sincronizados que se ven 100% naturales. Este es el método exacto que uso para llegar a audiencias de todo el mundo y no cuesta absolutamente nada.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make your avatar talk in any language for absolutely free. This technique will let you communicate with audiences worldwide without knowing their language or hiring expensive translators. Let's dive right in. First, we need content for our avatar to say. I'm using Claude in this case to create my script, but you can use any chatbot you prefer. Simply enter your topic or idea and let AI generate professional content for you. This step saves hours of writing and editing. Once you have your script, ask the chatbot to translate it to any language you need, whether it's Spanish, Japanese, Hindi, or any other language. The AI handles translations almost instantly. If you're targeting multiple regions, you can create versions in several languages with just a few clicks. Now, let's turn our text into natural sounding speech. I recommend using Hailuo, also called Minimax or F5TTS, which you can install through Pinocchio. Here's why Minimax is my go-to choice. It supports more than 20 languages with incredibly natural sounding voices. And the best part? You get 10,000 characters completely free every month when using their HD models. That's enough for several high-quality videos without spending a dime. The cool thing about Minimax is that you can train your own voice in your own language and make it talk in any other languages fluently, using your same tone and voice.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Hoy les voy a mostrar cómo hacer que su avatar hable en cualquier idioma total.
Let's see when we use F5TTS. This app is available to download it easily using Pinocchio. If you are interested on how to use Pinocchio, you can check my other video here. When you use F5TTS, you can make it speak in English and Chinese by default. If you need to use another languages, you need to download them manually and set it up by yourself if you are running locally in your PC. That's why I prefer to use Minimax most of the times, because everything is online and you don't have to handle with all of these.
大家好，欢迎回到我的频道。今天我将向大家展示如何让你的虚拟形象用。
Okay, the next step is to create our base video using a footage of ourselves or your avatar. Basically, we need to make a video using the generated audio file from our preferred text to speech and merge with our avatar. In this case, we are going to use DaVinci Resolve to export the driving video and the audio in 2 different files. Once we have our footage of the avatar, we need to synchronize the lip movement. This is where the magic happens. We'll use LatentSync for lip syncing, one of the best options available right now. You can download it from GitHub and install it manually, as it's not in the official Pinocchio store yet. There's an unofficial installation available in the community section if you prefer that route. I will include all the links for installation in the description below. Here in LatentSync, you upload the video file footage of our avatar and the audio generated in TTS of our preference. Make sure the audio match with the length of the video.
大家好，欢迎回到我的频道。今天我将向大家展示如何让你的虚拟形象用任何语言免费交流。想象一下。
And here is our first result. Not bad. You can also play around with the settings to get better results. After getting the base footage with sync clips, I prefer to fine-tune using LivePortrait. This one, you can install this through Pinocchio as well. Here in LivePortrait, we upload our video in the source video section with the first video we export from DaVinci Resolve without the LipSync. Then we upload our video in the driving video section with the video we just generated in LatentSync. One more tip. Before you start with the process, make sure your frame rates match between your audio and video files. This is crucial for proper synchronization. For the best results, configure it like this. Untick Normalize Lip option. Also, untick Relative Motion option. And enable the lip box in the animation region section. After setting these things up, just click on Animate and wait until your video is done. You can check the status on the progress by clicking the Terminal tab on the left.
大家好，欢迎回到我的频道。今天我将向大家展示如何让你的虚拟形象用任何语言免费交流。想象一下，无需学习外语或雇佣翻译，就能与全球观众沟通的可能性。让我们直接开始吧。
And there you have it. Your avatar is now speaking fluently in another language with perfectly synced lip movements. This is the best free option I found online. There are also lip syncing paid options like Hagen, Kling, or Hedra, which you don't have to deal with all this hassle of the process, which takes a lot of time and trial and error until you get the result that you want. If you try this technique, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what languages you're experimenting with. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to know when I do a new video. And remember, the AI we are living with today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come.